Hi guys, this is Anil Rahul. Welcome to my channel. How are you all? So guys, successfully completed South India. Everywhere, every district, every state in South India completed. So now I'm going to Goa. So within 1 week I'll finish Goa. So if I finish Goa, completely South India will be over. So from Goa I'll go to North. So guys, I thought to share you few things because I think I roamed almost 18,555 kilometers. So people they used to ask me after 10,000 kilometers, what is the bike performance? Is there any problems with engine or mileage or power, whatever it is? So in this, I crossed almost. It's been 1.5 months. In this 1.5 months, after crossing 10,000 kilometers, so my experience with this bike, is there any problems with engine or mileage, whatever? I'll share each and everything in this video. At the same time, people they used to ask me my travel expenses, my daily routine, from where I'm getting this much money to travel all over India every day, 365 days you are traveling. So from where you are getting money and all. So I thought to share each and everything. I'll cover everything in this video. So watch complete video. So guys, first thing I want to share with you, brakes. Trust me guys, so many times it saved my life. When I'm going in 120 130 speed, suddenly some dogs or buffaloes in highways, when suddenly it used to come, you really don't know guys, it saved me a lot, so many times. So this brakes is really damn good, this brakes. So I really loved a lot, Domino 250 brakes. It's really damn good. And after 10,000 kilometers, I checked bike mileage also. So before I used to get in highway 30-35. When I'm crossing 120 speed, 30-35 mileage I'm getting. So recently I checked again. Now it's coming very less mileage, guys. Because before it's coming good mileage. When I'm crossing 120 speed also, it's coming 30-35. But these days, when I'm crossing 120 speed, it's coming just 25 kilometers mileage. Again, I'm telling you, when I'm crossing 120 speed, I'm getting just 25 kilometers. If I'm not crossing 125 kilometers, if I'm going below 100, I'm getting proper mileage, like 35 kilometers I'm getting in highway, I'm telling you. So I made a video like exactly like in city how much mileage we are getting, in highway how much mileage we are getting, and in top speed how much mileage we are getting. I made a video, complete video with empty tank and 1 liter petrol. So I'll give you in description. So watch that video. So I don't know why guys, before it's not like that. When I'm crossing 120 also, I used to get 30 mileage. But after 10,000 kilometers, when I'm crossing 120 speed, I'm just getting 25 kilometers mileage. And when it comes to comfort, I think already I told you guys. So everybody they used to ask me how is the comfort in Domino 250 and all. I never get back pain guys, trust me, till now I never get back pain. So if you sit in this bike, if you are going, you don't even feel whether it is 300-400 kilometers, you can drive very smoothly. So I really loved a lot comfort. And bike performance, it's really amazing performance. After 10,000 kilometers also, the performance is damn good performance. And people they used to ask me about bike. Yes, it's a very important guys. Problems, I know everybody they are waiting for this. After 10,000 kilometers, is there any problems with this bike? Yes, there is a big problem. Again, I'm telling you, people who are traveling like me, that means every day 300 kilometers, 250 kilometers. If you are traveling like me every day, like a touring purpose, whatever. Once if you cross 10,000 kilometers, guys, chain. Seriously, I'm getting tuck sounds. Then I gave it to service center. They used to tell like it's already crossed 10,000 kilometers, so it's common. So brakes I really loved a lot, guys. Performance wise, really damn good. Comfort wise, it is. So mileage little bit I'm dissatisfied because before it was good, but when I'm crossing 120 kilometer speed, just 25 kilometers I'm getting. So finally, when it comes to big problem, yes guys, really big problem for me. Again, I'm telling you, people who are traveling like me, That means every day 300 kilometers, 400 kilometers continuously. Chain problem, guys. You will get, hell of sounds. Tuck, 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 tuck sounds. Starting, I don't know why all these sounds and all. Then I gave it to showroom. They're like, it's common once if you cross 10,000 kilometers. So you know what happened? When I cross, if I cross 600 kilometers, I have to make it tight. Again, I'm telling you, every 600 kilometers you have to make tight your chain. Otherwise, you will get hell of sounds. Tuck, tuck, tuck. It will become loose. When you cross 600 kilometers, every 2 days I'll cross 600 kilometers. Every day maximum I will travel 300 kilometers. For 2 days once I have to make it tight, guys, my chain. I have to find some showroom because everywhere they can't, they can't tight this chain properly, like local service shops and all. So I'll give in Bajaj showroom only, service center only. So for every 2 days for me it's like a headache. I have to go service center and I have to give some spray and I have to put and I have to tight. This is really irritating, guys. So I thought to change chain only, that whatever. So it's a common. But the thing is, people who are traveling more than 300 kilometers in a day, for them it's really big problem. So because every 2 days you have to make it tight, your chain. So, and one more thing I want to share you guys, engine. It's a very, very important, don't neglect at all. So if anybody bought new bike, Dominar 250 or Dominar 400, whatever, so don't use company engine oil, guys, Bajaj engine oil. Again, I'm telling you, because in my first servicing, when I gave my bike for servicing, I felt it is like some, harsh sound, something and all. Then I used to ask few people who are in like Dominar club, bikers and all. They suggest me few engine oils. Then in my second service, I kept a Motul engine oil, guys. Trust me, you can see so many changes. Your bike performance, it is like damn smooth. Then I understood. So again, I'm telling you guys, Bajaj engine oil is like a yuck. Sorry, it's not even yuck, it is yuck. Seriously, guys, I really hate that. Even spray also, there is a spray, okay, some spray, chain spray. Don't use that also. It's my personal suggestion. Because instead of that, my suggestion, you can use Motul engine oil, 100% synthetic one. You can see so much difference, and the performance, the bike smooth, everything. Damn good, guys. You will really, you can see the difference. So this is what I want to tell you about my bike performance after 10,000 kilometers. And that's it, guys. And when it comes to now my personal expenses, from where I'm getting this much money, my routine I will share now. The first thing, guys, I'm not taking at least 1 rupee from my parents. I don't have any sponsorship. So when I started this trip only, I decided I need so much money, because I'm not traveling like everyone. I will tell you one thing, guys. So in India, if you take so many people, traveling means, motor vlogs means they will go to, example, Hyderabad to Ladakh, otherwise Mumbai to Manali, otherwise Kashmir to Kanyakumari. They are making vlogs like this. So I decided like I want to travel everywhere in India, every district, every state. That means it takes so much time, and I need so much money also. So approximately I thought it will be like minimum 10 lakhs, because 2 years time 10 lakhs. Again, I'm telling you guys, I'm not traveling like Hyderabad to Manali or Kashmir to Kanyakumari. Example, I'll tell you. Karnataka, first I started with Karnataka. So in Karnataka, each and every district I covered. From there I went to Kerala. In Kerala, every district I covered. From there I went to Tamil Nadu. In Tamil Nadu, every district I covered. From there, Andhra, every district I covered. From there, Telangana, every district I covered. Now I am going to Goa. So in Goa, what and all, every district I'll cover. Then I'll go to Maharashtra. There, every district I'll cover. So like this, everywhere in India, every corner in India, I'm traveling. So it will take so much time. So I thought minimum it will take 2 years. It's been almost 5 months, because South India, very less states are there. In North India, almost 26 states are there. So it will take minimum 1 more year. So from now I finished Telangana trip. Now I am going to Goa. From Goa I will go to Maharashtra. In Maharashtra, I will finish Maharashtra in 30 days. In Gujarat 15 days. In Rajasthan 30 days. Punjab 22 days. Then I'll go to Kashmir. Kashmir I will almost 15 days. So like that every corner. Again I'm telling you, from in India map you can see, I will go to the top Kashmir, from there I will come down like Uttar Pradesh, Kolkata, Madhya Pradesh, like that again I'll come down. So everywhere in India. So I'll travel like this, so I need so much money. So before I was into acting, guys, I think most of the people know this, I'm an actor in Telugu film industry. So I have my savings, my personal savings. So whatever I have my savings, everything right now I'm spending on this trip, guys. Almost I spent 6 lakhs including my bike till now. I think I thought to spend one more, you know, like 6 lakhs. I think I have to spend 6 lakhs for my north trip, because north is very big, so many states are there. So because I'm not getting at least 1 rupee from YouTube till now, because recently my monetization started. So I have to wait, because I think everybody know we need patience for that. Recently I started YouTube channel also, so now I'm getting subscribers, everything is going good, but in future definitely I'll get money, I hope. So right now I'm spending lot of money, I'm investing on this trip, because I told you, right, I don't want to travel like everyone, like one place to one place, every corner, everywhere in India, every district. So this is my like plan, guys. Next, you know, 1 year I will be in north only, and money I told you, right, my savings. So whatever I saved these many years, I'm investing on this trip. And my routine, guys, people they used to ask me, how can you travel every day, you know, how can you get strength, you know, something and all. Guys, if I'm staying in some forest or, you know, like any nature places, I'll stay in my camping first of all. So in my camping, I have kitchen setup, everything and all. I'll prepare my own food, I'll cook my own food, and I have my, you know, like gym equipment, few things like ropes and all. I'll do workout every day. So morning 6 o'clock I'll wake up, guys, wherever I go. 7:30 I'll start like from that place. Full day I will travel, whatever I'm making a video, whatever I'm capturing videos and all. After 5 o'clock I won't travel, guys, anywhere, because after 5, if I'm in some nature place, I will put my camping, I'll open my laptop, I'll do editing, whatever I made full day, then I'll upload night. Again next day morning same routine. Again morning 6 o'clock I'll wake up, 7:30 I'll start till evening 5 o'clock I'll make videos. Evening 5 to 10 o'clock I'll edit all these videos, then I'll sleep again next day. So this is my routine. So wherever I go, I'll eat my good food, like, you know, boiled eggs, whatever, and I'll do workout also, because I need proper strength to travel every day. So it's not at all easy, guys, to traveling every day. So I'll do workouts wherever I go, some places and all. I'll pay some 100 rupees, 200 rupees in some gym. I'll do workout. I met so many riders, guys, in South Indian trip. I was very happy. So now I'm coming to north. So in north also, if anybody wanna meet me, riders or whatever, you can meet me, guys. I'll be very happy. I'll meet. And very important thing, guys, people who are who are watching this video from north side, first time I'm coming to north, guys. So I really don't know in north, you know, what are the best places. So please, guys, suggest me some good places in comment section, and I'll try to cover, you know, all the places. So I need your support, guys, because in north I know only few places, like famous places. Everything I don't know. So please do comment below and suggest me some good places in north. I want to visit each and everything. I don't want to miss anything in north trip. In south, few places I missed because of corona. So in north I don't want to miss any place, guys. So it will be very helpful for me. So please suggest me some good places. And if you have any doubt regarding bike or any my traveling experience, you know, whatever it is, please, guys, comment below. I'll reply to each and everyone. Again, I'm telling you, I'll reply each and everyone. And if you want any personal details, you just ask me in my Instagram. Same, travel with Dinil Rahul, my ID. One more thing, people are asking about my my riding gears, my my camera equipments, my everything. So I made a video, guys. I'll give you in description link. I'll give you in description, like proper video, like what and all I'm carrying for my traveling, whether bags or camera accessories, you know, everything. I made a video, you can watch that video also. So I hope you got some proper information in this trip. And so if anybody want to travel with me also, you can travel, guys, in future. I'll share you the details also. So if you have any doubts, you can ask me anytime. Just comment below. I'll reply to each and everyone. Otherwise, my Instagram, travel with Dinil Rahul. So you can ask me there also. So that's it, guys. So bye bye. Take care. Bye bye.